Sit in a comfortable posture. Close your eyes. Let your body to relax and your mind to quieten. Breathe in through nostrils and gently breathe out through your mouth. Your physical body is beginning to relax and your mind is becoming calm. Once again, breathe in through nostrils and gently breathe out through mouth. All the muscles and cells of your body are getting loose and relaxed. Once again, breathe in through nostrils and gently breathe out through mouth. Your mind is becoming very quiet and calm, and your physical body is relaxing very comfortably. Now, as I count you down from 5 to 0, with each count you will go 10 times more deeper in this relaxed state of mind. The physical body will feel more relaxed and the mind will become completely calm. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. You are listening to my voice. Any other sound that you hear in the background will help you to focus on the sound of my voice only. Your eyes are closed, mind is calm, and body is relaxing. With each and every breath you take, you will go more deeper in this relaxed state of mind. The deeper you go, the more you relax, and the more you relax, the deeper you go. Now turn your concentration towards the toes of your feet and experience a wave of relaxation in your feet. Now let your concentration move from your toes to your heel, into your ankles, and then to the calf muscles of your legs. And from your toes to your knees, feel a wave of relaxation. Now feel the relaxation moving up through your thighs, your hips, and in your stomach muscles. Now the relaxation will move up into the solar plexus, across the chest area, through your shoulders, and down through your arms, your hands, and now your fingers. Simultaneously, relaxing the muscles of your back, the lower back, the middle back, the area of your upper back is relaxed right up to your shoulder. And now the neck muscles are relaxing. The relaxation moves up through the scalp, across the forehead, and down over the eyelids. The facial muscles and jaw muscles are relaxing. Your physical body is relaxing deeply and completely with each and every breath. From head to toe and from toe to head, you are absolutely relaxed. For the next few moments, you will not be hearing my voice. The absence of my voice, coupled with the other sounds in the background, will help you to go deeper and deeper. Enjoy this relaxed state of mind for next 10 minutes. Very gently be aware of your physical body and very gently open your eyes.